the player has to leave the pitch, because normally there are like, I think, 11 players, including the goalkeeper in a pitch. So if one player leaves, they are left with 10 players. And because of this, it could reduce the morale of the team and they could end up losing the match. So that's the bad side of having too many fouls and yellow cards. So that's all about my finding. The next is for my predictive models. So for my predictive models, I use 3 predictive models. I use linear regression, I use random forest, and I use decision tree. So as you can see, linear regression had the best model because it had the lowest MAE. MAE means the mean absolute error. This measures how far the predicted values are from the actual values. So the lower the MAE, the better the model. So as you can see, linear regression had the lowest MAE, followed by random forest, followed by decision tree. So that's why I picked linear regression as my best model, because it had the lowest mean absolute error. So next, since linear regression had the best since linear regression is the best model to use, so it was able to predict that England is going to score the most goals in 2026. The coming FIFA World Cup, which is in June, is going to score the most goals per match. So it predicted that England is going to score 2 to 3 goals per match, followed by Portugal, then Germany. This prediction for June, the coming FIFA World Cup. This is just a prediction. It's not certain because there can be a lot of changes. Maybe they change the players used, or probably like their tactics and all. So it's just a prediction based on 2022 FIFA World Cup data that I got. So next is just a summary of what I just said. So scoring goals equals success. As you can see, France and Argentina, they had the most goals and they reached the final. So goal scoring correlates strongly with tournament progression. And you can see for Morocco, they had they led in clean sheet and they had a very good defense clearance. So proving that having a good defense can take you a long way because of this, because they were able to reach a semi-final. Then the next one is, as we saw from Spain, they dominated. They had more possession, but they didn't advance. So I think Spain reached the round of 16, but they had domination. So having possession doesn't mean you're going to win the match. It's about how you finish, how you handle the ball. And the next one is, out of all the models I use, linear regression is the best model, is the most reliable predictor of the team goals. And lastly, based on the 2022 data, England and Portugal are predicted to be the team that's going to score the most goals if the same squad I use and if they maintain the same form they maintain in 2022.